Hey guys, I'm Kushagar and today I'm gonna explain you what is Google Project Ara. Google hosted its first Project Ara developer conference last week where it finally revealed more information about the modular smartphone project. So what actually is Google Project Ara? Basically it is a smartphone with modules that you can purchase and upgrade at any time. So it's being completely customizable smartphone. Right now it's considered a moonshot as Google exactly does not know whether its project gonna be successful or it's gonna be happen or not. But Google is aiming for future in 9 months that Google Project Ara will arrive. Let's go on some of the benefits it will offer. The primary goal behind Google Project Ara is that to connect 5 billion people with smartphones. Google says its entry-level smartphone is $50 Grey phone model, which is even less than the highly affordable the Moto G. So this project is basically based on the Phone Blocks project, which put the link in the description below, the video of the Phone Blocks, so you can check it out. So what the device will do is that you can purchase any size of smartphone of this project Ara. It is small, medium and large, and accordingly you can buy all the different parts of the phone like the camera and the processor and the memory and different things. So if any part of the phone does not work properly or it is broken, so you can upgrade it to a newer, the faster processor, the higher megapixel camera and the more memory, things like that. So in the future you don't have need to purchase a new smartphone altogether. You just need to upgrade your components and buy the new components that will be faster and the modern than before. Therefore I like this Google Project Ara very much because it's gonna change the whole world, and you will not need to buy any new smartphone from now on. Just upgrading parts will be the sole purpose of this project. Today most smartphones which launch will actually be outdated in 3 months or more, and so people get disappointed and want to upgrade. So this will be the major benefit of this project. They don't need to buy a new smartphone altogether. So this project is just like a building a PC. You don't have to buy a new PC for just 6-7 years. You just need to upgrade the new parts and the processors, etc. So this will be a very interesting project to me. So what you have to do basically to upgrade the components is to remove the previous components of your smartphone and just take the new components and put it in the put it in your smartphone. It's just like a Lego, so you don't have to be just like screwing it. It will be based on electromagnetic. Google is also looking at 3D printed options which you can customize your smartphone for many colors, etc. designs. So what you can do now is that if suppose you and your wife are going on a trip and your wife need to get some good camera on a smartphone, and you just need to pull off your camera component from your smartphone and put it in your wife's smartphone. So that will be so easy and so just time saving to do that. So you will not need the great knowledge to tweak your phone. The current plan of Google is to directly sell its Project Ara smartphones from its online store only, where you can choose from mini, medium and large skeletons, then select the modular components for your smartphone. After a while you get bored and you want to just sell your older components and buy a new one, so you don't need to have to worry about that. It will be easier for you to sell your components. So let's see what Google has in the plan for the consumers and the Project Ara smartphones. I hope Google just do it right like all its plans, and I'm sure it's gonna be a huge hit. I'm eagerly waiting for the Google Project Ara, and if it take off, I'll surely will be buying a smartphone based on Google Project Ara. That's all about the Google Project Ara. I'm sure you like this video, guys. If you do, just hit the like button. It will be very much appreciated. and subscribe to the channel if you haven't for more videos. And till then, peace.